afternoon. It's a Saturday afternoon. That's a mama fish. Hello. So we have not been out today. I've taken all day off so far, but this is what we have. We picked up a stove and the dishwasher last night. We had these two stoves from last week and nobody's buying on this washing machine, so all this is gonna go, all of it. Bye later, dude. So let's go find a couple more things. Happy new week, happy Monday. You're just watching this, it's a Monday morning. For me it's really a Saturday, but in your world it's a Monday. So have a good day and we're gonna get some stuff. Well, this ain't a bad start. This come off? No, I'm in there. I was talking to Robert Ironbeard, but I don't think he ever heard me say I'll be right back. So he's still in there talking. Hey, welcome back. Doing a little bit of a run. We're going over to my brother-in-law's house. He's got some stuff for me over there. Then I know we got another little pickup right in Chuliota. So we shall see how that goes. Hey, we're back, coming to pick up an AC unit. And we're here with one of the stars of Caden and Addie's Fun Adventures. Say hello, Caden.
Hi.
Say hello to everybody out there.
Hi.
Yeah, tell them to come and visit your page. Tell them, say, come see me and Caden and Addie's Fun Adventure.
Come and see me at Addie's Fun Adventure.
That's right. High five. You're the best, kid. Yeah. We'll race before we leave, okay? Let's go get this stuff.
I'm going on the hill.
All right, come down real quick so I can go up. Let's trade. How you doing, boss?
What the? Why you talking?
Why not?
Why you talking?
Why not?
You cannot talk to me when someone comes.
Why not?
Because it's dangerous.
Oh, well, he's the Amazon guy. He's like a mailman. Thank you, boss. Appreciate you. Have a great day.
What the? What the? Break my heart.
I'm breaking your what?
My heart.
I'm breaking your heart.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, bro. How am I breaking your heart?
With your noise.
I always make noises. I'm a big noise box all the time with the ooh and you know?
And I have an Easter one coming soon, and
Come on, come down. Switch with me. Come down so I can go up. Nice. Well, I'll have to keep an eye out for something. All right, we're racing. All right. Come on, where are we racing to?
So far over there, there's my swing set.
Yeah, no, because
Alright.
we put washer things
Okay.
for to put a washer and a dryer back there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was asking.
That's
Oh, nice.
hold my phone. Okay, now let's do it.
Go.
Now.
Go! Wait, oh, I thought you were fat.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Ah, you got me. You got me. Now we're going? Now we're going? Huh? Huh? Oh, whoa. Oh, I gotta go over here. Oh, you beat me. You're too quick, Caden. Let's see the magic test. Will it be or won't it be? No, it ain't gonna be. Yeah, good. I can take them.
Oh, you could take it?
Yeah. If they're magnetic, they're steel. Can't take
So
them.
what are they?
Aluminum.
Oh, that's good, right?
Yeah. All right. We had a little pickup at a client's house. So we're gonna see how much of this. Well, we're gonna get all of it on the truck. But it's kind of be somewhat organized about this. I don't know if I took you guys at the end. That's everything that we got from my brother-in-law's house. Let's put a bunch of the small stuff in here first. We are probably gonna have to unload tonight. Just that way we can get right in the truck and go tomorrow. We had pretty good success last weekend, so I am gonna try to keep the same method going tomorrow. We are gonna have a little bit more on the side of the house than we did, let's say, the other day, last weekend. Just because this has been, we had a little bit of holdover, let's put it that way, from last week. So I thought those stoves would go, but I talked to 2 different guys and they didn't seem much interested in them. So the stoves will go, and then we may bring that washing machine to the unit. It may just go, depending on how exactly I'm feeling at that moment. Just being honest. All right, so I'm gonna finish picking all this up and then I will bring you guys back in. So we made it back to the house. I'm gonna unload real quick and then I'll bring you back. Just wanna show you everything. I don't even really know. Look, I got a bunch of amps and stuff. That was from my brother-in-law's house. And then all this we just picked up. I just loaded up all that. And then the tires. So I'd say between like that, and then we had the stove and we had some of that stuff. And I mean, I think we'll be all right. I think that's a pretty good start, a Saturday, you know? All right, that stuff needs to go somewhere too. It can't stay back here. All right, well, we'll see y'all in a little bit. A mess. Goodness. This is it. We'll call this a Saturday. I mean, we had a couple things in here, but like that, I would say everything right here, all this that you see my hand over, we all got that. That's all this. Yeah. I picked this up, but it's just going in the regular trash. So, and this medicine ball, I had enough looking at it. See ya, partner. All right, well, that's a Saturday. Oh, we didn't ride around. Actually, we didn't do any riding around, so I'm not gonna thank you for riding around with me, but I will thank you for hanging out with me and Caden and Miguel, and we had a good time. So, all right, y'all, we will see you in the AM Sunday extravaganza. All right, good morning, happy Sunday. Walla walla walla. Holy moly, it's early. Once again, this is last night. This is a Saturday. Got a little AC unit, some stainless tires, aluminum, whatever. Yep, you see it. You see it. Let's go see what we can do today. See if we can't make this a crazy stack. All right. Oh, there's our buddy, Scotty the body. It's okay, Scotty. He's like, dude, you got something on your head. What's the matter? All right, let's go get it. All right, we want it to be early and often today. Early and often. And this is how our day is going to start. Out early. Out early. not being loud yet. At least I'm trying not to. Let's see. Oh. Man, I have not been having very good luck with these things lately. I mean, it's lucky that we found one. I haven't got a stainless one in a while. All right, let's go. Well, there's a big old sign that says free on it. Just tucked him on. Not trying to make all kind of crazy noise. I think this is like the back to a truck or something. I'm kind of, yeah, like that's the back. Okay, it's all one piece. Ow! Come back and grab that. See, the thing is what is this to? Like, if I was trying to sell it and I got to put it up somewhere, is it to that? Is it to an F-250? Is it to a crew cab? Because it matters. It 100% matters. See, no, this ain't to anything that was out here. All that grass means it's been sitting for a while. I guess they couldn't sell this yesterday for $15. I say $15 because it says it right there. So it got put to the curb. It got curb stomped. Your time. Look at that, isn't that fancy? It's all see-through and stuff. Nice. Let's go. Let's pick it up. Books. That one's kind of gross. Nope. Alright. Alright. A better attitude for today. I like it. Leave them up in there. This can come with us. And off we go. Hey, look at that. We got some books. A little moment of panic there when I was driving. Because I seen this thing leaned over. And then I didn't see this right away. So I was like, oh no. Oh no. Something happened where it kind of like went over the side and I didn't see it. Or anyway, here we are. Beep beep for free. Imagine that. Would you pay for this chair? Oh, it's another chair. Didn't we just have a chair? I don't want to bang you guys up with 3,000 likes and subscribes in a video, but if you're already from the last time, sit back, relax, and boom. Maybe you got a little room to smash it again. Bed frames. Oh. So, I mean, this is pretty much produced the same as it did last Sunday. This was roughly right around the same thing that we had gotten. But I like it. I like it. I was thinking about it in the car and I like it. We're going full positive. We are going full positive today. I mean, full on. Everything is good. We got more books. More books. I don't know what that is. Praise the baby. Praise the baby. Some like little cords. What do we got here? Oh, it's in the wrapper, so we're good with that. Alright, I guess I can take that. We're definitely taking these. First things first. Bike. See, now that's gonna make a kid happy. Whatever kid gets this bike, it's gonna be a good day for them. Look, that's a cool bike. Back over near the house and let's see. Nope. Once again. At least I don't think so. Look at that, that sticks to it with the thing. Yeah, that doesn't. Maybe we got one. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? Because the inside where the... That isn't. Huh. Let's load it up. Alright, quick little show in. Trailer is empty. This is what it's looking like. It's starting to get there. See what the next load brings out. All these after the next load are probably gonna go out. It's not a whole lot in there, but get them out to the curb. Alright, well, off we go. Alright, load number 2 of the day, starting off with a screen door. At least if you're gonna get it early, right? Get it nice and flat, then you can throw stuff on it. All right, load number 2. It's like 10 something, 10:30 maybe, right around there. Your face. Nothing's ever too small, right? We don't discriminate around here. Big, small. Come on, get in the truck. Oh. Almost tripped me. 2 minutes for tripping. All right, it's getting more people are out now. I don't know, first thing in the morning, if I'm out there being loud, people not think I'm a psychopath, but I'm trying to give people their Sunday morning peace. But now it's getting a little bit, you know. That thing fell right on my foot, like you know. It's a little nicer out. It's a nice day. People are out walking around. This donut did not make it. That rubber. No problem. Still some Christmas tree action. We like that. Keep the Christmas trees coming. Oh, plugs. Yeah, some Halloween stuff. Halloween. We'll take this. And that'll be that. That'll be that for this stop. Spiders. Oh, I picked up a snake yesterday. I don't like snakes, but I did it. It was one of those things that I felt like I had to overcome. It was only a little nugget too. I don't want to sound too heroic. It's like that big little pet it. Little hummingbird feeder. It's nice. I love little hummingbirds. What was that? I thought it was a lizard. Escape lizard. Once again, it's that time in the video for you to sit back, relax, put your feet up, and smash that like and subscribe button. Big push. Get it down. Get it down. Boom, we picked up that pool pump. I don't know what else. The rotors, I don't know if I brought you along with that. So we're getting there a little bit at a time. We got another chair right there. Let's go get it. Here we are. I told you we were going to get that chair. And that's what we did. All right. See, we're getting there. We're getting there. A little bit at a time. Rome wasn't built in a day. And off it goes. This has been the weekend of the dishwasher. Got a bunch of them. Doing all right. No matter what I'd say, doing all right. I'll buy this. I was looking at the TV. And we would have missed all this. So that would have been no good. Alright, so we found a washing machine. This thing's pretty nasty. Although it may just need a good cleaning. Either way, we would take a picture of it. See if anybody wants it. I sent out some pictures yesterday to 2 guys. And one guy, Friday, one guy was not interested in the stoves. My normal guy. So I said, okay, fine. Guess we're not doing stoves. There it was. So I'm gonna say this one's been a little bit more of a grind today, but all that matters is the end result, at least in my book anyway. And it looks like we're getting to almost a full trailer. Well, maybe not full, but you know. It just took a little longer today. Took a little longer today than it did last week. But I think the second run of the day is bigger than last week's. I knew we were gonna fill her up. I just had it. I had a feeling. I said it at some point. We're gonna fill her up. Our tide is a-changing. And that indeed it did. All right. Gonna have that. We're gonna have a couple more straps, and I think this is gonna be just about it. We're gonna go through and survey a couple of neighborhoods and see how it goes. Whole thing wants to fall. Don't do that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Kind of get this out of the way. We could put the rest of it back up. Nice and neat. Put this here. I think I like it. And these against here. Now I know I like it. All right, we're gonna throw this in here, and then I think we're going back to the house. Hit the unload button. So, that being said, we will see you there in a little bit. All right, so this is load number 2. After I left you guys, a lady called me from down the street and gave me that bed frame and that chair. So, yepper. So we're back here at the house. We're going to unload this real quick. I just grabbed a quick bite to eat, and then we're gonna try to get back out. Oh, and this is actually the end of the weekend video. Womp womp womp. So this is gonna be it. So once I get it in there, that'll be the end of our time together for today. This will all get stocked up, and that'll be the weekend. And then we'll get started on our Sunday night run. Sunday night run. And if you're not familiar how our runs work out around here, because I do night scrapping and the way I load my videos, it is just easier to go from night to the end of the business day the next day. So Monday videos will be the weekend. The weekend consists of 1 Saturday run and 2 Sunday runs. That'll be a Monday video. The Tuesday video will be Sunday night run and everything that we do Monday day. Our Wednesday video will be Monday night run and everything that we do Tuesday day. Ow, 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 don't break your leg. That was, woo. So that was Tuesday video, was Monday, yeah, so I think we just said Wednesday. So our Wednesday video will be Monday night and all the way through Tuesday day. Our Thursday video, same thing. Tuesday night all the way through Wednesday. Our Friday video is Wednesday night all through Thursday. And our Saturday video is Thursday night through Friday. Most days we'll be dropping videos at 7 a.m. That is the time that it works out best for us to drop videos. Drop them like it's hot. All right, so I'll bring you back when we get this done. What's up, bro? Happy Easter. Have fun with the Easter eggs. Hey, trailer is unloaded. This is the weekend. So this is Saturday and 2 Sunday runs. So yay, yay, and yay.
Oh, Mike, I did it!
You got it. Yeah? Now you're worthy. Now go put it back. All right. What are we at? 24%. All right, everybody. So that was the day. Once again, I'm probably just rubbing my dirty hands all over me. This is kind of what I look like when I'm filming. I always have my hat on. Go backwards. So that was a Saturday night. We didn't really go on a run. We just went over my brother's house, and then yeah, we came back and did another pickup. Sunday we did a morning run. It wasn't the craziest, but it wasn't the worst. And then we just had a pretty good run. So overall, pretty good, pretty good. So we're gonna try to go out and get one more on the day, but that'll be on your video tomorrow. So once again, we're gonna try to do this daily. Let's go for daily right now as we sign off. Actually, let's do shout outs first. Let's get the shout outs in. Shout out to Sugar Bee Cookie Company, Iron Beard Yoga. Go over there and check out their pages. Sugar Bee Cookie Company on Facebook, Iron Beard Yoga on Facebook, and here on YouTube. Go check out my niece and nephew and Caden and Addie's Fun Adventures. That's also here on YouTube. Check out all the Scrap Boys, the little crew, Packer Scrapper, Nacho Stuff, Non-Ferris Jeff NFJ. He's got the funnest name to say out of everybody. I'm just gonna call that right now. So that's all the shout outs. Go over, check out everybody's channel. Anybody who I forgot, head over to wildrover.com if you're having a website built. I haven't talked about junkman5000.com. Smash on over there if you get a chance. Thank you all so much for riding with me today. It was fun. I always have fun. I'll try to be a little bit more positive than normal. We really want to uplift people and, spread some good vibes. So with that being said, all right, so we want to read you a little passage at the end of every day, and this is what we're going to do. So this one is by Unknown. If you are struggling today, remember this. You have survived everything you have gone through up to this point. The best day of your life is still yet to come. There are still people you haven't met and things you haven't experienced. You can do this. That's the end of the quote. But to add on to that, I believe in you. So have a great day. Spread love, and we'll check you out tomorrow.